Here we're taking a look at the Logitech Silent Wireless Combo. This is the MK295, as you can see just there. Quite a nice big keyboard too. 36-month battery life, 18-month battery life on the mouse. I'm very keen to see how this actually works. So it's also lag-free wireless too using that. So I'm just going to take a look at the box and see what comes in it. It's the first time I've actually opened this up, so we're doing this live. Okay, so here's the keyboard here. Take it out and have a look. So there's the keyboard. As you can see, it's a nice, big, full-size keyboard. Plenty of room for typing. I'm going to take out the plastic. So this has done a lot of reviews online as well. Looks like a very, very popular keyboard. Take a look at the instructions. So you've got the two AAA batteries there, which it takes. So got to open that up. So the battery's already in there, which is quite handy. Not all keyboards do that. Let's go and take a look at the mouse. And here's a mouse just here as well. Nice small mouse. Now, as I said, what I like about this is it doesn't make any noise when you type the keyboard, which is very important. You do lots of content creation like I do. And again, it takes the batteries, which are already in there, which is a great touch. So let's turn on the mouse there. Okay, guys, got that to work. Just be sure you look at the USB-C dongle is there. I searched your box, I couldn't find it, but it's just at the edge there. So you plug the USB-C dongle. In a Mac, I've got to use this to plug into USB-C, and then you've got it there. So it connects straight away. As you can see, look how quick the mouse is as well. Look how responsive that is. Now the mouse is silent too. You see how you can't hear it clicking? Now here's the keyboard too. So hello, here is the keyboard. Now as you can see, the keyboard is very responsive. So nice and light. I love the SilentTouch part of it as well. Again, you've got all your caps lock and all your normal functions. Like you get the shortcuts along the top there. But this is a very good and efficient keyboard.